Okay. Good afternoon, good evening, and even good morning again from wherever you're joining us from. And you're most welcome to this webinar titled Cloud Services for Research and Education, which is actually the second webinar that AWS is presenting to us. And of course, I will be moderating the rest of the sessions. Well, I would say the first and the last two sessions this afternoon. And I'm Alex Mutil from UbuntuNet Alliance. In February this year, AWS actually gave us an introductory webinar to cloud computing. And of course, also gave us some use cases for a typical research and education environment. Further, AWS also presented some forms of cloud procurement employed by research and education and the possible reasons that entrants might also have or use to actually leverage what AWS has in its cloud service catalog. And so this is just a continuation of some of that previous webinar that we had, and more specifically, it builds on some of the interest areas that the participants, of course, raised. And today we will be again looking more into data residency and security of the cloud, the security, but also HPC, and finally a demo on Moodle. Now, these are some of the things that members in the previous, of course, webinar raised, and I'm glad and really thankful, especially to AWS for sparing time to come back again and, of course, run through some of these areas. Of course, AWS will provide more details on this in the following sections. Just to run through the agenda for the event today, we will have the welcome and introduction that we're doing now. Then the presentation shall follow. That will take about 1 hour. And then we shall come back with the Q&A and then summarize and close with a short survey. So you're most welcome, again, the AWS team, but also most welcome to the attendees or the participants that have actually registered and have made it to actually attend this event. You're most welcome, and thank you all. So to AWS then, that will take us through the introductions on their side, but also on the next stage, which is the presentation. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Alex, for giving us the opportunity, and thank you to all of the members for making the time to speak with us today. I wanted to just mention first thing is that last time we had a lot of interest in many different topics, and unfortunately we can't cover obviously all of the topics in one go. So we curated a short list of topic areas for today, and we'd be happy to do deep dives and one-on-one sessions with each and every one of you at a later time to learn more about your organization, see how we can best support you through your cloud journey. My name is Fuad Zaru. I'm a business development manager for the Middle East and Africa team at AWS, and my core responsibility is to work with AWS customers and prospective customers to build the right cloud acquisition strategies and help enable them to procure cloud in a way that is going to ensure they can achieve all of their organization's objectives. Before we dive into each of these, today's session, I would like to give a chance to everyone from the AWS team to introduce themselves, even though on the Zoom we're all showing up as my name, but I can assure you there is not 7 of me. There are several different folks. So to the AWS team, if maybe you want to introduce yourselves, and let's go in the order as listed on the presentation, just for the sake of ensuring that we do it efficiently. So we'll start.
Hi, everybody. My name is Alfred Heiser. I'm the Security Assurance Lead for AWS in the Sub-Saharan Africa region. My work predominantly with regulators on security assurance, and I'm happy today to talk to you about data security just a bit later on.
My name is Shadrach Ayuo. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect with AWS. I also sit within the Security TFC team. Pleasure meeting you guys, and looking forward to having a discussion with you.
Hello, my name is Hervé. I'm the head of education for Middle East and Africa, and joined AWS 6 months ago, former entrepreneur. So I will talk to you about HPC. I'm traveling. I'm in a hotel room at this time and I have a hard stop in 20 minutes. So I will try to do it as brief as possible, but interesting.
Hi team, my name is Yusuf Mayet. I'm a solutions architect based in Johannesburg. I work with our education customers. I spend a majority of my time helping the central IT teams in large education institutes migrate to the cloud, helping researchers spin up research or HPC environments, and I've helped a number of customers move Moodle environments to AWS.
Thank you. And Robin, are you there as well? Robin, you're on mute if you are speaking. Okay, no worries. Let's dive in. We have Robin Nijuru, who is our lead for Eastern Africa, Sub-Saharan Africa, rest of Africa. He was also on the session last time. So thank you all again, and we will dive right in. We will save, as Alex mentioned, there will be time at the end for questions. So we'll definitely go through our presentation, and then we'll take any questions that you have at the end. Thank you so much.